This is how you do a 2-strip border around a fireplace. First, we need to cut out the flooring on both sides. This is where the frame of the border is going to be getting installed. Every corner piece of this border is going to have a 45-degree angle. When doing these kinds of installations, adhesives are an absolute must. And it's also important to make sure you're using enough nails to hold things in place. For this particular border, we're going to be using walnut pieces in the middle to accentuate the look. Now we know things may not be looking pretty right now, but bear with us. Now that the center walnut pieces are in, we can install the final strip of red oak. For this particular border, the outer strips are red oak, and the center strip is walnut. These kinds of borders provide a clean, intentional separation between the main floor and the fireplace. Would you do this in your home?